my head. On my one rain like this.
I actually started off as a graphic designer, wanting to be a graphic designer because I was very good at art. My mother said, why don't you do a culinary course? I went into culinary school and that's when it all came to light. Everything just started working. I just felt so natural in the kitchen. Everything just came to me. We're all in this trade for the same reasons that we love food. Cook with passion or not at all, you know?
My name is Homam, travel and food influencer. Today we are at Seafire Steakhouse, the Atlantis bar, and I'm going to spend the day with Chef Raymond. My words go around food as what I'm doing as a blogger or what I do in my own kitchen. I'm always in the look for something different, for new ingredients that blends together, for different cuisines that merge into one plate. I came a couple of times to Seafire, but to be behind the scenes, experience something that I didn't experience before, as to touch the ingredients before it's reached the table. I think that's the ultimate experience that anyone can dream of.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you again.
Come on, let's go into the kitchen.
Let's do it.
So today we're going to do the short rib donuts, one of your favorites, right?
It's my favorite, you know it very well.
Yeah, you're going to get your hands dirty. So
I can't wait.
Yeah, we're going to get you geared up. So, first of all, this is what we have for our short rib donuts.
That's a beautiful piece of meat.
Yeah. So basically you've got the bone in there. And we're going to braise this off first, but we're going to season it up. Okay? What we use is Cajun spice and paprika.
Okay. So you mix the spices already in advance, right?
You're a bit of a chef as well, right?
Yeah, but
That's good. So you have to give this a good rub. So once you marinate this, you're going to sear off on the flat top, a wee bit of oil.
this is just the cooking oil, right?
Yeah, and it's going to render down the fat and give a nice caramelization.
Yeah.
Now we're just going to marinate all this with the tomato paste.
That's the beauty of cooking.
Yeah.
It's simple ingredients, simple techniques, but you end up with like beautiful results at the end.
Exactly. This is just going to give a robust flavor.
Okay.
So
Beautiful.
if you want to pick that up
Yeah,
with the tongs and put it straight in there. We have made some pre-beef stock. This is cooked for 42 hours. So it's got pure beef flavor. You just want to cover it halfway. With cooking, there's not an exact number.
There's no, yeah,
however
exactly.
you feel. All right, then we're gonna wrap that up. Okay, I'll put that in the oven. Short rib has been cooking for 4 hours now, and I've let it rest. So it's cooled down a wee bit. What we need to do.
Oh, look at that piece of meat.
Yeah, have a sniff. Transfer it here. Okay. We're gonna pull out these bones.
Look how easy it's like.
Yeah.
Just slide away.
Tender as hell now.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that's it. We're just gonna break it down. Look at that.
So you just like make it pieces.
This is our signature barbecue sauce, which we're gonna enter. Yeah.
It looks divine already.
We've got some chopped coriander. Beautiful.
It's really good. Really, really good.
Yeah. So once we get it in there, we're gonna chill it down now. Yeah. We've just cooked the meat now, and then we just put it in a piping bag.
Yeah.
We're ready to stuff the donuts now.
Okay,
Yeah?
let's do it.
So I'm gonna do one, and then you're gonna try. All right. So basically, we're gonna do a wee incision. Okay.
Just a small hole, yeah?
Just a small hole, so we're gonna pipe it in.
Okay.
Be generous. Try again.
Are you looking for a sous chef in the kitchen?
Yeah, why not? I'm looking for a pot wash. We're gonna glaze them with honey, and then we're gonna put this. This is my secret recipe. This is a charcoal parmesan.
Okay.
So basically, it's being mixed with squid ink, parmesan, panko flakes, and flour. Once we put the parmesan crust on, it's gonna give a crispy texture. Seafire signature short rib donuts.
It's my favorite. I love it.
Cheers. So how was that for you today?
It was so much fun. I really enjoyed every single bit of it.
Your favorite donuts? How is it?
Amazing.
Describe it for me.
It's sweet and sour, salty, crunchy, juicy, a bag full of flavor.
Yeah.
I love it. So,
Crazy textures going on there.
tell me, Chef, how did you come up with it?
Being a steakhouse, it's very hard to find a sort of signature dish.
Definitely.
And being Asian, this basically came from the steam bun, and then I created this with the parmesan crust to give a bit more texture. I've ordered a steak for you.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah, I've ordered a nice strip loin, medium rare, is it?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Perfect.
that. Medium rare.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
There's some
So what is the
sauce.
sauce, chef?
Yeah, this is it. So how is it?
That's beautiful.
Cooked right?
Look at this meat. That's beautiful.
It's okay, medium
Yeah.
rare, perfect for
Yeah,
you.
it's perfect for me. So, chef, I just want to say thank you so much for a wonderful experience today.
It's always a pleasure having you around, and you know you did a grand job in the kitchen today.
I know.
Yeah, you're showing his guns.